Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how microfinance business will manage in Jainam Software. So if you want to see our more videos from YouTube, just subscribe our channel from YouTube. So just have a look. From the HR management, I will go to the employee list. So here I have created few employees and their login ID and passwords. Now, if I select this employee and said branch, so you can see that Maharashtra branch is given to the Gauri staff. And if I select Madhuri, so here in the said branch, the Punjab is assigned to the Madhuri. Now, just close the page and access control list. So here, if I select Gauri, so here you can see this access I have given to the Gauri. So this is access control list. Whichever access required for the staff, the admin can select and give from here. So now I will go to the group management, create group. So here you can see I have created few groups and assigned some employees, some groups assigned to the employees and some customers are in each group. So if I go to the master setup in the branch hierarchy, so here you can see I have created the under India, I have created two branches, Punjab and Maharashtra. So one is in Punjab, Sonipat and Ludhiana groups and in Maharashtra, Pune and Mumbai group. So after that, let's go to the customer all list. So just refresh. So here I have created few customers. Now we can create the multiple customers. So let's create, this is the customer entry form. So let's say Mahesh Satpute. So all the details we need to fill up from here and just save this. So the group is, we have to select the group. So let's say this is from Sonipat and save this customer. So from the search bar, I will search F-6. So here the Mahesh Satpute customer, just click to the loan. So let's say the personal loan we are giving to Mahesh Satpute. So let's say 5,000, rate of interest 3% monthly, interest with principal, and let's take for 5 months. Now just calculate this. So here the installment and disbursement date I will select. So let's say 1st of December 2020 and installment start date let's say 2nd of December. Now just save this loan. So we have saved this loan number 10. So if I search 10 number from the search bar, so here you can see all the details of this loan from here. So from the loan is given to the 1st December to the 2nd of April 2021. And if I go and check the installment tracker, so here you can see that interest with principal concept, the installment amount is 1150. So in the passbook also we can check all the details and we can give the print of this passbook to the customer. So this type we can manage all this microfinance business easily in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.